Welcome back to the Rapid Reads Club. Have you ever wondered why some people are so productive, focused, and successful, while others struggle every day? The answer might surprise you. It's not talent, it's not luck, it's how they start their morning. That is very important. So, this is the core idea of the book The 5 a.m. Club by Robin Sharma, a world famous leadership expert who teaches people how small daily habits can create extraordinary results. So, what is in this book? It simply means waking up at 5 a.m. every day and using the first hour to improve yourself. Sounds difficult, but yes, this is so powerful. Robin Sharma introduces a simple formula called the 20-20-20 rule. From 5 a.m. to 6 a.m., divide your time into three significant parts. First 20 minutes, move your body. Means do exercise, run, stretch, or do anything that increases your heartbeat. This reduces your stress and boosts your energy. In next 20 minutes, reflect, which means sit silently. Think about your life, write your goals, practice gratitude. This builds mental clarity and emotional strength. In last 20 minutes, grow, which means read a book, learn something new, improve your knowledge, because growth is the key to success. This 1 hour is called your victory hour. So this hour is very important for you. So this is called the victory hour. So why it is so important? Because early morning is the most peaceful time of the day. No noise, no distractions, just you and your thoughts. Most people waste their mornings in their entire life, but successful people invest in them. The book also talks about the 4 interior empires, the 4 areas you must improve. 4 interior empires means the 4 areas that you must have to improve. First of all, and first one is your mindset, which means how you think. And the second one is your heart set, means how you feel. And the third one is your health set, which means your physical fitness. And your soul set, this is the fourth stage, which means your purpose in life. If you grow in all 4 areas, you don't just become successful, you become truly fulfilled. But let's be honest, waking up at 5 a.m. is not easy. That's why the book explains the habit building process. In the beginning, it feels uncomfortable. You want to quit. But if you stay consistent for around 66 days, according to this book, it becomes a natural part of your life. This is the real secret, not motivation, but consistency. And consistency is more important and significant than the motivation. Another powerful lesson from this book is to avoid distractions. Today, our biggest enemy is not lack of time, it is distraction. Mobile phones, social media, useless scrolling, they destroy our focus. The 5 a.m. habit helps you take control of your life before the world controls you. This line is very important. If you have to take control of your life, you have to rise early in the morning when the mostly world is in sleeping. So the 5 a.m. habit helps you to take control of your life before the world controls you. So now there is an important truth. You don't have to wake up exactly at 5 a.m. to succeed. The real message of this book is start your day with purpose, not with distraction, and start early. Even if you wake up at 6 or 7, you use your first hour wisely. That can change everything. So what is the value of this book? It teaches you discipline, it improves your focus, and it helps you build a strong routine. And most importantly, it helps you become a better version of yourself. So in simple words, change your morning and you will change your life. So if you found this summary helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more powerful book insights. See you in the next video. Thank you very much.